In this video, I will talk about merge sort. Merge sort is divide and conquer sorting algorithm. It's work dividing area into a smaller part and sort them by using recursion and then merge them back as its initial index of the array. While writing code will be very easy to understand the concept of merge sort, and you will be knowing that what is divide. Divide means divide the whole array index left part and right part until one element left of array, and then compare the smallest element of the part of the array and then merge them back as the initial index of the array in ascending or descending order as a sorted manner. So writing code will be very easy. Let's write a code that will be very easy to understand the concept of merge sort. So let's create an array and pass some element can be something 38, 38, 27, and 43. 43 I am assuming here whatever element you can put here. Okay, 3 and 92 I am just assuming here 92 will be here, and something 10 is the last element of the array. Okay, I hope you will get understood how you have to create an array of element. Okay, now we have to sort them these element in ascending order. So what we have to do, we have to create a static method, static and void type method here that will sort the all element of the array. Okay, so let's create a sorting array. We will create here merge sort. Okay, we are learning here the merge sort, then we'll have to create array, pass array here, and I'm passing here just like area of element here, just array element we can pass here, or we can pass here the left part and to right part, because array this merge sort you know very well, it's work by dividing the two parts of array and one left part and right part. So let's suppose I am passing here the array element here. Initial index will be left part, with that will start from the 0, right, and the last index will be right. Now the array dot length we can pass here -1. This is the last index and first index. This is the array, the initial and initial and end array you have. What we have to do, divide into two parts, left half and right half from mid. So let's divide it. You know very well as a definition I talk about its work dividing and conquer. Divide means divide the area into two half and then left half and right half, and divide until the single individual get left, and sort them by using recursion. So we will apply a recursion also, that is a very important topic. So let's sort. So we have to create here just just pass here the array. We don't have only here, so left, 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 and right, right, or right. And now what we have to do, we have to just left, left will be smaller to right. Okay, and we have to divide it, so we'll require here the mid equal left plus right, divide by 2. This become a mid value. Now what we have to do, we have sort left value until the individual element will get left, so we will require it to call it back, and until element means left element become a right greater than to left, until unless left side will complete and then right side. So we will call it again and again and divide it into half left and right. We will call it 2 times for dividing the left part and right part. Okay, so left merge sort and pass here the array and left. Okay, left to mid, left to mid. This is your left array means half array, and this is right array, and the right array will be mid plus 1 to right. Okay, you are going from the left, mid to right. This is the first one is the, and this is the first half. Okay, and this one is the second half, I hope you will be understanding. And this is the dividing element, dividing index into two parts. This is the index division. I hope you will be understanding. Now what we will have to do, we are calling this method here again. Then what will be the left half, left half, left half, left half will divide into two parts again. Okay, until unless it become left, right, greater and less. Okay, as the this condition falls, it's move here. It will pass this. It will call this condition, and then it will again call, and then it's get over. So we'll require here to call as like the same. Then now it's concur method have to division has been completed. Now we'll have to talk about concur. What is the concur? Concur means merging them back, as we divided the whole index of array in a single element of array. So we'll have to compare the element which one is greater, and we will put here the smaller, and then more smaller means smaller, and ascending order will be sorted in a element. So we'll require here to make another method that will sort the all the array element in a order we want. Okay, so that for that we will require here the merge method I am creating here, and I'm passing it to what I'm passing here, array. Okay, array, here will be array, left, right, and mid, and mid after right. These element I am passing here, this will go into this merge method that I have called here, and I will create here above of it. Let's create the merge method. This method will merge back to the all the in ascending order. Okay, keep in mind. And this work, how it's work, left part will divide, and this will divide right part, right. And from the mid plus one means from the mid to ahead index to the till a last index of the array, and this will left is initial and middle become last, right. So on it will divide and until an individual element will left side on right side. Then I will call this merge method, and then merge back to the inner ascending order, right. Let's create a method merge and pass these element here, a rr, int left, int mid int right. These element we will have to pass here. Now what we have to find out the mid to initial to mid and mid to last. We divided half part of the area left and right area, then we will have to find out what is the length of the area, first one and second one. For that, count the size of two area, two sub area. Okay, it's become a two area, it means that it's sub area of the area, so we can say that is sub area. I hope you will be understanding. Let's count the length of the first one and second one. For counting the length n1, I'm supposing here n1. So we will left count the area of length. For that we will require here mid minus left means plus 1. From the mid, if I decrease the initial value, it will, and then add one more value, one element here, one here, then it will come the last area. This is the method of taking out the length of area from the mid initial to mid value. If you want to find out the area of initial to mid, then this way you can write in a code. Just you have to keep in mind this in mid value will be, suppose you have a 4 element and you add it into 2, by 2 it's become what, it's become a 1. Then mid will have 1, and then left is what, 0 and 1 means 1 1 2. The total length of the array will 2, and total index will be 1. I hope you will get understood. The so on what we are doing here, we are minus mid, right minus mid. This will give you the right part of the area length, right part area of the length I in n2. This is the whole length of the area. Let's create a temporary area that can store the length or store the left side of area element and right side of area element. Create temporary array, here. It will store the left part and right part of the array. Int l. L is what? Left part of the array. Int n1, right? And this will store the right part of the array. N2, right? And now let's copy the what I did here. I created the variable which can store the n1 and 2 a length of array. Okay, so I created temporary array variable. Let's put into data inside L1 and R1, so it will become a two array, and then we'll divide. As you know, it's automatically will divide in the calling method. So we will compare just element which one is greater and smaller after that. So let's put inside the L and R element. For that we'll create here, copy the data into temp. I'm just writing here, okay, temp variable, right? This is the uh, heading that will show you what you are doing here. That's why I'm writing here. So let's from for int I will start from 0, right? I will go till the n1, means total length of the array, and I plus plus, right? And let's assign to li arr left, from the left to total length. So as I will increase, that will be your total length. Length will go till there. It has suppose 3, then it will go till the 2. So total length will assign, element will get assigned inside of it. So here we'll have to write I, right? And let's assign the right side part, int j equal 0. So on we'll have to write here also j plus plus, and r and r j right here, and arr we have to start from mid to last. So that mid is what? Mid plus 1. From this value we will starting, and end, and will be the decrease increasing the order of the j. So we'll have to write here j, whatever value will be right now j, means this index value will get initialized to this variable, right? This is your initialization done. It is a initialization of the left part and right part array, divided array element. Okay, just assigning left part and right part. Now what we have to do, we have know very well, we have in a previous video, a previous method have divided all the method, all the array element into single individual element. Now we what we have to do, we have to compare the from the bottom and left and right, which one is the greater and smaller. So one we will merge the all those element in a order. Let's merge the temp arrays back into array left plus left, left plus right. Okay, so it will be right. So int I start from 0 and j start from 0, and new variable I'm taking here that will store the path. Means suppose you have divided array into two parts, j and I and j. Now what we have to do, merge them. So merging for, we will require here one another variable that is called k, right? And k assigning left is what, initial value is what, 0, right? So we will do apply here while loop for that, because we have to go from the I till the n1 I j till the j2 index, right? So that will require here, so I will be less than to n1 and j, right, j will be less than to n2, right? This is a condition that we have to follow. Keep in mind, it comes when you write a code, lot of things that it it's get practice. This is the method of merging the array, so we are doing that. So let's compare the element arri, right? If left side element is less than, right, keep in mind, if left side element less than or equal to right side element from first initial index, and right also first index is being compared here. If it is greater or less, we will assign here r rj, and assign to arr mid plus 1 plus g. No, this is wrong. Oh, sorry for that. We don't have to do it. Okay, keep in mind, we don't have to do it. We are doing here just arrk, right? These things had to write, I write in a wrong thing. And now l1 is l1 is, if l1 is less than, then put inside l1 is means left side is left than, and put inside and increase the index of that. And else part, what we'll write here, else part, we will put if l1 is not less than, okay, then right part will be less than, to assign it a right j, right? And j also have to increase the variable, and so on, k also will increase. And this has been done comparison. Now what we have to do, we have to copy the remaining element. Suppose you compare the element but one index has been left in the right or left. So what we have to do, we have to keep in the kth element inside, okay, kth array inside. So we have to copy the element, copy their remaining element of l l of any element, suppose here. Then apply here the while if I is less than to n1, right? This condition will go from that I is less than to n1. You know very well, n1 is what, length of left side, and I is initial index. And let's apply inside the last remaining element assigned here, assigned l l1 li, right? Here will be k, right? Here will be k, you know very well. And then I plus plus, and then k plus plus, you know very well, k has to increase all the time. If it is increasing the element inside, then it will increase also. Let's copy the right side, right side element, right side remaining element, right? While loop again will have to write here j will be, if j is less than to n2, and then that assign the kth element, k will come inside of r variable, and k will also increase, j will also increase. So let's increase k and j, right? You will be thinking you are writing very lengthy code. I will say here it's enough, has been done, your code and your merge sort has been completed. You don't have to worry a lot. I have explained very well. I tried to give my best to teach you very well how to uh, merge the array uh, of the division after. So I tried to give it best. Let's run this program and see what output is coming. But before writing, we will require here to call the method. Which method you will call? You know, merge sort you will call. Why? Because of merge sort, you are calling the merge already inside has been called. Okay. So merge already called in a merge sort. Let's call the merge sort. Pass some array and left and right. Right. I hope this will be right. And now what we'll have to do, we have to print the array of element right now for int num, and then have to pass here array and print the array element, and print the here element num and give it some space, plus plus, give it some space, right? I given a space also. Let's run this code and see what is the outputs, then I will talk about more. This mistake I did, it has to be left and right comparison of element, and then we will assign to Keith area, another area I created here, that also right here. Now it should run. Let's save the program and run it again. Yeah, you can see here very well it's been a com complete execution. And let's see, let's give the message one, then you will see very well what is the merge sorted or not. Merge sort array, right? This is the message I given here. And now you can see here merge sort 3 9 10 27 38 43 92. The element has been sorted, guys. The element has been sorted. This is the merge sort array, and 3 is like that. If I remove this l ln, then it will be very clear to you to understand what is the output. Yeah, 9 3 9 10 27. And you also can see the what I have given the element of a 38 27 43, and it's merge sort by I sort the array 3 9 3 9 10 27 38 and 43, and 92 is the last of the array element. I hope guys you will get understood how to merge the uh merge the sort the array element by using the merge sort. In the next video I will talk about more some sorting algorithm. Till then, goodbye.